This is going to be another Zippo myth video. Today it's going to be using cigarette filters. These ones happen to be used because I don't have the money just to buy a pack of cigarettes and rip the filters off. So I got a Zippo Van wick. See if I can get it in this way. Sometimes it's easier to get it in this way. Now I'm going to take these and break them up. Now, cigarette filters aren't exactly cotton. Can't remember what they're made out of at this time, but I'll put it in the description box. I don't know how many filters it's going to take, so I'm just going to break up a few here. Alright. Then when you're doing this, changing the rayon balls, it's good to have a pair of needle nose pliers around. Now the way I do it and the way Zippo says to do it is basically just like the picture. You have your wick coming up, and then you put a rayon ball in, or two, depending on what you're using. These I'm going to have to put a few in. You put a layer over it, another rayon ball, a layer over it, another rayon ball. And that seems to work the best than just having it going straight down. Or kind of, when you do this little S pattern, it has the most feel touching the wick. I can't edit any of this because I don't have a computer at this time, so I have to do everything off my phone. So it's going to be a long video. Usually I'll just set it up and then do the myth. Alright, got our wick there. Got our makeshift rayon balls. Oops. There. felt pad in. Put the flint in. Spring. Now another thing with the springs are, they really only have to be hand tight snugged. You know, once it stops, you can't really turn it with your fingers anymore. It's fine. I've seen people use a screwdriver and really get them in there, but I mean, these are brass, and the tube's brass, so it's really easy to strip it and cross-thread it in there. And you don't want that because then it's useless. You gotta send it back in the zippo. Alright, got that done. I'm using Zippo brand fuel. So far, so good. It's not dripping out the bottom. Seems to be absorbing a lot more fluid than usual. So who knows, these might actually be better. Oops. Overfilled it. Alright, let's try this. Alright. Now it's over full. But that works fine. And I had to put a lot of fuel in there. So these might actually be better than cotton balls or rayon balls, because it seemed like it absorbed a lot more fuel, which could just mean it takes more fuel to use and it evaporates just as quick, or it might actually hold the fuel in there better and not evaporate as quick. Who knows? But cigarette filters as rayon balls work.